Hi everyone, welcome to my weight loss journey. That went too long. All right, if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm so happy that you chose to spend some time with me again today. And if this is your first time here, welcome to you as well. My name is Chris. I vlog on this channel with my husband and our 6 kids. We are a vegan family. And here on this channel this year, I'm going to be sharing my weight loss journey. Bless you, baby. My weight loss journey. Bless you, baby. That's my 8-week-old sneezing. So today we're going to be talking about the #1 reason that diets fail: meal prep. People meal prep and they do the same thing, that steamed sweet potato and that broccoli steamed, and then you see like a piece of chicken or a piece of tofu or whatever. It doesn't look exciting. Let me show you. Back when I used to be on diets, this is the kind of plate I would fantasize about. Mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, meatloaf, rice, red beans, greens. So why not meal prep using this meal? You know, whenever you're at a family function, there's that well-meaning family member who fixes you up a plate. Then the other well-meaning family member goes, oh no, she can't eat that. She's on her special diet. You let them fix you that plate. You let them make that plate as big as they want to make it. You cover it in foil, you take it home, and this is what you do with it. Because you know that on day 3 of your steamed sweet potato, because I've been there, so you're eating that same steamed sweet potato for 3 days in a row in your little Tupperware container, this might be what you're thinking about. Let me show you what to do with it. Okay, so I actually have to get the baby back to sleep, so my husband is gonna dish it out, but I'll talk to you guys along the way. So when you get home, you wanna fix it up so that you have extra vegetables to go on the side of,
and these are steamed in veggie broth, so
yeah, to give it more flavor.
Yeah, it gives it a little flavor, but it's still healthy for you.
All right, so here are the 3 separate plates, and as you can see, they pretty much have similar things in them. Here's the only difference. In each plate, we first filled it up with our favorite veggies. And I did it in the order that it goes sort of during the week. So you start out the week, you're feeling good, you only want just a little bit and you don't want to overdo it. And then as the week goes on, you kind of want a little bit more food on the plate. So always plan for that. Plan for that mindset that when you first start out, you probably will feel gung-ho and you will want smaller portion sizes. But then as the week goes on, you'll want something a little bigger. So here's how it looks. So this, for instance, would be your Monday plate. It has, as I said, half of the greens that you like, a very small serving of mac and cheese, and then half of a piece of meatloaf. Over here, this is your Tuesday plate. A bigger serving of mashed potatoes, meatloaf, and again, half of the plate, fill it up with greens. And then by the end of the week, you have a little bit of everything in this final plate except the mashed potatoes. You've got your rice and beans, your mac and cheese, your meatloaf, and again, half that plate of greens. And you can do that Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and on those other days, do your super hardcore healthy, I'm only eating a salad thing, but give yourself options that allow it to be as realistic as possible. The goal of this Infinite Life Weight Loss Challenge is to be as sustainable as possible, and I truly believe that if you eat like this during the week, when the weekends come, you won't feel ravenous and crazy. You should be excited about your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner every single day. I have plenty more tips to share. If you found any value in this, please make sure you share it with someone that you love, and thank you so much for watching this. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.